Hello, welcome to all in this video session. Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, how to short close purchase order in respect of material as well as in the service session. Okay. So what is this? PO short closer is an activity performed when GRIR is not done and not further required for the full quantity. Okay. In that plant where PO is created, it may be due to the merger of existing plant into some other plant. So in this case, we alter the purchase order item quantity as per the actual GRIR quantity. Okay. In case no GRIR is done, then item is deleted in the purchase order at the header level. Okay. When GRIR is done for the partial quantity, check in the PO history. Then first amend the purchase order through transaction code ZMMP underscore INI underscore amend. Okay. So ZMMP underscore INI underscore amend is the customized transaction code, maybe the different transaction code in your company. We execute ME2N. ME2N is the transaction code for the getting open purchase order list which are pending due to GR. Okay. So scope of list is ALB. Selection parameters, go in the selection parameters. I'm choosing WE101 open good receipt. Okay. Plant code is 3002. Okay. Document date is current financial year dates. Okay. I'm just going to execute. See, these few purchase order is open due to good receipt, due to partial good receipt. Okay. So this purchase order is created for the material of 4 quantity. Okay. Go in the purchase order history. Go in the purchase order history. See, the good receipt quantity is 2, PO quantity is 4. So partial good receipt is done here. 2 quantities still pending for the GR good receipt. Okay. So we need to short close this 2 quantity. Okay. So for this, you need to amend this purchase order using ZMMP underscore INI underscore amend. Okay. Choose the document category purchase order and fill the purchase order number here. Execute this transaction code. Once you this command executed, then open the purchase order in ME22N. Go in the header tab, go in the release strategy tab. See, initiator and competent authority check is now removed. Okay, meaning that our purchase order is amended and ready for change. Go in the PO quantity, change this PO quantity is 2 as per the actual GR quantity, actual good receipt quantity. ओके मीन्स जितना आपको रिसीव हुआ है उतना आप यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी चेंज कर दीजिए ओके सो आई हैव अपडेटेड द 2 क्वांटिटी ओके सो once I have updated to quantity 2 means no further GR is going to possible and go in the delivery tab, click on this delivery complete also. Okay, and save this purchase order. Okay, one error is there, go in the header tab, go in the version tab, click this version tab completed. Okay, then save this purchase order. Okay, now this purchase order is short close. Okay, the next step is to release this purchase order by competent authority. release this purchase order by competent authority using shortcut method ME29, and you can release this purchase order through SAP workflow method. Okay, go in the release strategy, click on this release R1 and click on release R2 and save this purchase order. Okay, save this purchase order. Okay, now this PO is quantity updated from 4 to 2 and saved permanently. Okay, in the delivery schedule tab, okay, in the delivery schedule tab, no open quantity for further goods receipt. Okay, no open quantity for further goods receipt. Okay, so this is all about how to short close the purchase order which is created for materials. Okay, okay. So in this purchase order, no more further GR is possible. Goods GR is possible. Okay. So this is all about the meaning how to short close the purchase order which is created for the materials. Okay. In this case, this is the case when partial GR is done. If no more GR is done, then you need to delete the purchase order at the header level. Okay. Now the case is short closure in case of the service purchase order. Okay. See, in this case, first amend the purchase order using ZMMP underscore INA underscore amend. Then change the service quantity using ME22N as per the actual GRIR quantity. Okay, getting my points. And update the quantity, and then save, release. Then your service PO is short close state. Okay. See, in our open purchase order report, there is two purchase order are there, in which item category is D is the created for the services. Okay. First, I am going to check the purchase order this. And go in the purchase order history. No more purchase order history is available, means no service entry sheet has been created in this purchase order. In this second purchase order, in the second purchase order, this services are there in the under 10 PO line item. These are the services are there: 1000 quantity, 2000 quantity. Go in the purchase order history. Go in the purchase order history. Go in the purchase order history. Okay. See, with respect to this services, 5 GR is done for 500 quantity. This SES is created and released for 500 quantity. Okay, this SES is released and created for 500 quantity. So GR is done for 500 quantity, and PO is created for 1000 quantity. Okay, PO is created for 1000 quantity. So in this case, I need to amend this purchase order and limit this quantity to 500. So our purchase order will short close. So in the next method, copy this purchase order. Okay, go in the transaction code ZMMP underscore INI underscore MN. Okay, document category F, copy this purchase order, execute this. See, open this PO in ME22. Now PO in the editable mode. Limit this quantity to 500 as per the actual GR done in the system. Okay, so the GR is done for 5 quantity. No more further GR is possible in coming future. So I need to do I need to amend this quantity to 500 quantity. Okay, just change the quantity to 500. Okay, and GR quantity is 500. Okay, so I am going to do the quantity in this service activity code is 500. Okay, go in the services, update the quantity to 500 and click on this save. Go in the version tab, okay, complete this and click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, this purchase order has been updated. Okay, purchase order has been updated now. Okay, so then you need to save this purchase order and release this purchase order. Your this service purchase order will be short closed. Okay, and this is the method through which you have done the short closing of the purchase order. Okay, again, once you shape the purchase order, go in the quantity tab. This quantity tab will be updated to 500 with respect to 1000. Okay, so this is how you can short close the service PO. If in this service PO no further SES is possible or this PO is created by mistake, then you need to delete the purchase order at the header level. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'm explaining you in very easy way how to short close this purchase order. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, press a single like button. Okay, it will give me motivation, and please share with your friends and colleagues. More and more sharing is more and more knowledge sharing. Okay, and if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for my latest video updates. If you have any query regarding the video topics, please feel free to do comment. Okay, I will give you a reply. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.